Hello and welcome to lesson 10 in chapter 7, 7.10. So we are working on page 303 and our essential question is how can you use the strategy acted out to solve two-step problems? Now my son's in 5th grade and I'm seeing 3, 4 multi-step problems. So in 3rd grade we're working on two-step problems. And let's just go over a few basics about multi-step, two-step problems. So the acted out strategy, you're going to use counters or beans or scraps of paper. I'm using little dog biscuits today because that's what I have handy. You could write descriptions. You could make a drawing or a sketch. You can write out an equation. You could make a list. This acted out strategy that we're going to practice today, it organizes what we're doing. And it helps you see the steps to find an answer. Okay, it really helps you visualize it because you're moving things around. Now, two-step word problems. Some word problems will need us to use more than one operation, so 2 or more operations to find the answer. These are the two-step problems. Sometimes there'll be 3 steps or 4 steps, but not yet. So to begin, we identify the important information. Sometimes we are given extra information that isn't helpful or necessary to solve the problem. So be sure to understand what is being asked before you begin. Okay? And once you find an answer, go back to check. Check it and see if it makes sense. Okay? Those are some tips for working with two-step problems. And let's get to the whole page here. You ready? So we've got Madeline, and she bought 2 packs of pens and a notebook, for $11. We're here on page 303. The notebook costs $3, so total she's spending $11. She's getting 2 packs of pens and a notebook. And the notebook costs $3, right? Now, each pack of pens costs the same amount. What is the price of 1 pack of pens? This is the question. This is the question. So this is what I'm being asked. I need to find the price of 1 pack of pens. Now, if I want to draw a little picture, just to kind of sketch it out before I begin with some counters, I'm spending, here's my total of $11, right? I'm spending $11. I'm going to buy a notebook for $3, right? Notebook. And then I'm buying 2 packs of pens. Here's 1 pack of pens, 2 packs of pens. I don't know how much the pens cost, but I know they cost the same amount. Okay. So, just to kind of make a picture in my mind. Now, Madeline spent in all, she spent $11. My mouth said 11, but my brain wrote 10. All right, Madeline spent $11 in all. She bought 2 packs of pens and 1 notebook. The notebook, we know, they told us, cost $3. They did not give us any extra information. All of the information they gave us in the word problem, we have used. Okay? And so how will we use this information? I will use the information to figure out the problem. I don't know what they want you to say there. So let's see. We're going to start with 11 counters because we're starting with $11, right? So here, I'm going to make this a little bigger here. Zoom up so I can have some workspace on the side. And here's, come on, there we go. Here are 11 counters. 1, 2, eeks, where's my edge? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Can you see? No, you can't even see them all. All right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And I cheated a little bit. I made 3 of them a different color because the notebook costs $3, right? So if I kind of keep that paper there, I know that notebook was $3. But I know I'm starting, the total cost is $11, and the cost of the notebook is the $3. So I can take those 3 away, and I'm left with the P, which is the cost of 2 packs of pens. So how many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm left with $8 really, or 8 dog bones. Now I know that 2 packs of pens cost $8. Next, I need to make 2 equal groups with the 8 remaining counters because I know I have 2 packs of pens, right? So 1 pack, another pack. 1 pack, the other pack. 1 pack, the other pack. 1 pack, the other pack. Okay. All right, so I took my $8, I divided it into 2 packs, and that equals the cost of 1 package of pens. Yes, so 8 divided by 2 equals C. I know 8 divided by 2 is 4. So the price of 1 pack of pens is $4. Okay? So we had to use 2 different operations, right? We subtracted 11 minus 3, and we also divided 8 divided by 2. There's our multi-step, our 2-step problem. All right, and our dog bones helped us. The sketch at the beginning really helped me kind of see what was going on. And now Roxy and Nacho will be happy little puppies. Okay, I'm going to put these back in there. Little dog biscuits. These are my little mini dog biscuit counters. All right, let's turn the page and let's go to page 304. Are you ready for page 304? Here we go. We're going to try another problem about Chad. Now, Chad bought 4 packs of shirts. He gave 5 shirts to his brother. Now Chad has 19 shirts. How many t-shirts were in each pack? Okay, so let's see. I'm going to draw another little sketch because the sketch for me really helps at the beginning. So he bought 4 packs of shirts. So pack 1, pack 2, pack 3, pack 4. We're going to assume they all each have the same number. So he has this amount. So he has 4 packs. And then he gave 5 away. And then he gave 5 shirts away, right? And now he has 19. I'm just going to put SH for shirts. So we don't know how many are in each pack, right? Let's see. We need to find out how many t-shirts were in each pack. We don't even know how many total t-shirts he started with, do we? But we know he gave 5 away and he still has 19. Okay. So let's see. What do I need to find? How many t-shirts were in each pack? So oftentimes, I've heard Miss Dimely say it, the question at the end is usually what you're going to need to find out. But always reread it, think to yourself if that actually makes sense. Oops. So what information do I need to use? I do need to know that he gave away 5 shirts. And he has left 19 shirts. And I need to know that in the beginning, there were 4 packs. So let's go ahead and I'm going to get some dog biscuits, okay? I'm going to first get the 5 shirts that he has left. Okay, so here's my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shirts, sorry, that he gave away. So he gave away those 5 shirts, yeah? And he's going to have 19 shirts left. So let's go ahead and count out his 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I may have to mix up the colors of my dog bones. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, almost there, 17, 18, and 19. Okay, let's double check. So we know he has 19 left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I put them in rows of 5. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. There's the 19 left, right? He has 19 left. And he gave away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so these are all the shirts he had, but they were broken into 4 separate groups. Now I'm going to use Post-its to serve as my 4 groups, and I'm going to kind of put them off to the side, and then it just gives me a visual for sorting them into the 4 groups. 3, 4. Can you see that? So there's group 1, package 1, package 2, package 3, package 4. Okay? So now I could just take all of these t-shirts, or dog bones, and make sure they're evenly distributed. And so using these physical counters will make it much easier for me to see how these shirts are separated between the 4 packs. And this is taking some time, but you'll notice on this kind of problem, this assignment, there's not a lot of problems because each problem they expect it will take you more time because these are a little meatier, using my milk bone. They're a little thicker, these problems. They're juicy. So there we go. And do I have the same number in each pack? I have 6 here, I have 6 here, 6 here, and 6 here. So I have 4 groups of 6, 4 packs of 6. So let me move those off to the side. All right, so what I did was I took my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'll keep them not in tally form, and I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this was the 19 left, and this was the 5 gave away, right? And then what I did was I put them into 4 groups. So if I had the 4 groups, the 4 packages of t-shirts, then I put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, whoops, now I've got my 5, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, right? So I can see 6 in each of the 4 packs. 6 in each of the 4 packs. All right. So we could see, to check our answer, we could use multiplication and subtraction, right? We could say, I know I'm going to have 4 times 6, and then I want to subtract the 5 I gave away, and that should equal 19. So 4 times 6 is this total number, and I give away 5 to get 19. That should work, right? All right, that's going to be our pausing place for right now. And when we come back, if you'd like to do some share and show with me, we can on the video, or come to live session and we'll go through some share and show together. All right, good math thinking. Thanks, guys.